In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error in Google Chrome where you get the error message saying something went wrong while displaying this web page. It's a nice and easy one to fix. The first thing we need to do is head over to our Start menu and you need to search for Google Chrome. And once you found it, then right click on Chrome and select Open File Location. And once again, we need to right click on Google Chrome and come over to Properties. Inside of the Properties window, you should see this target text down here. And we want to come to the very end of this text, just after the quotation marks, and you're going to hit the space bar on your keyboard. And then we're going to type in a double dash, followed by the word no, followed by a single dash, and then you're going to type in sandbox. And then come over to compatibility and ensure disable full screen optimizations is ticked. And also run this program as administrator, and we can press apply and OK to save our changes. Then you need to double click on Google Chrome to launch up the application, and we're going to clear our cache and cookies by coming over to the three dots in the right hand side and select clear browsing data. Then you want to go ahead and make sure all these options are ticked, and then we can just select clear data. Now another thing that might be causing this issue is your browser extensions, so we're going to disable these by coming back over to these three dots on the right hand side, inside of extensions, and then select manage extensions. And inside of this window, you just want to go ahead and make sure all of your extensions are disabled by toggling this button here. And once all of your extensions are disabled, you can then go ahead and see if that's fixed the issue. And if that's solved the issue, then you can try re-enabling these one by one to try and rule out which plugin is causing the issue. Now, if that's still not working, the next thing we need to do is come back over to these three little dots, scroll all the way down to settings, and from the left-hand side, come down to reset settings, and we need to select restore settings to their original defaults. Then just go ahead and click reset settings, and it's also worth updating your Google Chrome browser, which you can do by coming to About Chrome at the bottom here, and you should see a button that will allow you to check for updates. Now, if you've tried all of these steps and that's still not working, the very last thing we can do is head over to our Start menu and search for Settings. Then tap on the settings icon and come all the way down to the bottom here next to Windows Update. And we're just going to press this check for updates button to ensure we're running the latest version of Windows, as sometimes outdated software can also cause problems with our application. And that's it, guys. Hopefully by following all of these steps, that's now fixed your issue. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.